If you're a gamer, a video editor, or just someone who needs more screen real estate, a dual monitor arm can help you reclaim desk space and achieve the perfect ergonomic setup. In today's video, I've done some deep research and have a list of 10 best dual monitor arms, looking at everything from build quality to adjustability and overall value. First one on our list is the HUANUO dual monitor arm. This one is a great starting point for anyone looking to upgrade their desk setup. It's made from a durable alloy steel that gives it a solid, reliable feel right out of the box. This arm is incredibly versatile, fitting a wide range of monitors from 13 to 32 inches and supporting a weight from 4.4 to 19.8 pounds per arm. The key here is flexibility. You get a full 360-degree rotation, a 180-degree swivel, and a tilt feature, plus height adjustment. This combination allows you to position your monitors exactly where you need them for a personalized, ergonomic viewing angle. Next up, we have the VIVO dual monitor arm. VIVO is a well-known name in the world of computer peripherals, and this model lives up to that reputation. It's crafted from metal and has a solid feel, supporting monitors from 13 up to 30 inches. One of the standout features is its incredible range of motion. It offers a tilt of 90 degrees to minus 90 degrees, a 180-degree swivel, and a 360-degree rotation. The height adjustment is handled along a central pole, which provides a clean and stable look. It also comes with a heavy-duty C-clamp for secure mounting and is backed by a 3-year manufacturer warranty, which is a great bonus for peace of mind. Number 3. WALI Dual Monitor Arm. The WALI Dual Monitor Arm is another solid choice, also built from alloy steel. It can accommodate monitors from 17 to 32 inches and a max weight of 19.8 pounds per arm, making it suitable for a variety of setups. You get a lot of adjustability here with a tilt range of 70 degrees to minus 45 degrees, a swivel of plus minus 180 degrees, and a full 360-degree rotation. It also offers a max height of 26.6 inches and a max extension of 20.3 inches, giving you plenty of room to fine-tune your display positions. It's a versatile option for anyone looking for a reliable and flexible mount. Coming in at number 4 is the MOUNTUP dual monitor arm. This one is a great choice for those who need a balance of sturdiness and flexibility. Made from metal, it can handle monitors from 17 to 32 inches, with a weight capacity of 4.4 to 17.6 pounds per arm. Just like the others, it features a 180-degree swivel and a full 360-degree rotation, giving you total control over your screen's orientation. It also offers 19.9 inches of arm extension and a 9.4-inch height adjustment range, which is perfect for dialing in that ideal ergonomic setup. Next on our list is the BONTEC dual monitor arm. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option without sacrificing core functionality, this one is worth considering. This metal arm supports monitors from 13 to 27 inches, with a weight range from 4.4 to 17.6 pounds. A key feature is its 360-degree rotation, which makes switching between landscape and portrait mode a breeze. The tilt and height adjustment features help ensure your monitors are at the right level and angle to reduce neck strain. It's a no-frills, reliable option for a standard dual monitor setup. And, coming in at number 6 is Hemudu Dual Monitor Arm. This one is a bit different from the rest, as it's built with both alloy steel and tempered glass. The stand itself has a solid feel to it, and the tempered glass base adds a sleek, modern touch to any desk. It's designed with a 12-level height adjustment along the center pole, giving you precise control. It has a swivel range of 50 degrees to minus 50 degrees and a tilt range of 10 degrees to minus 15 degrees. While it might have a more unique design, it's a heavyweight option, literally, with an item weight of 44 pounds, making it a super stable choice for your monitors. Number 7 on our list is the AMERIERGO Dual Monitor Arm. This one stands out from the crowd with its focus on ergonomics and load capacity. It's made from a polycarbonate material, which makes it lightweight at just 7.39 pounds, yet surprisingly strong with a massive load capacity of 55 pounds. That's more than enough to handle 2 hefty monitors. It also comes with a stand riser that can extend up to a maximum length of 40.9 inches, giving you a huge amount of flexibility for your setup. Plus, it's backed by a 1-year warranty, which is a nice safety net to have.
Next up is the EVEO Dual Monitor Arm. This is a great choice for anyone looking for a robust and reliable articulating arm. Made from alloy steel, it feels incredibly sturdy and is built to last. It's compatible with a wide range of screens, from 14 to 32 inches, and offers a full 360-degree rotation. You also get a significant swivel range of 90 degrees to minus 90 degrees, so you can easily share your screen with a colleague or a friend sitting next to you. The articulating movement allows for smooth and precise adjustments, making it easy to find that perfect viewing angle for any task. Next on our list is the PUTORSEN Dual Monitor Arm. This one is a real heavyweight contender, especially for those with larger setups. What makes it unique is its material combination of acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, or ABS, and alloy steel, which provides both durability and a sleek finish. The most impressive feature, however, is its compatibility with screens up to a massive 49 inches. Yes, you heard that right, 49 inches! It can handle a weight range from 4.4 to 44 pounds, giving it the strength to support those huge ultra-wide monitors. It also offers a full 360-degree rotation, a swivel of 90 degrees to minus 90 degrees, and a tilt of 50 degrees to minus 20 degrees, so you have plenty of room to fine-tune your screen position. Last but certainly not least is the ErGear dual monitor stand. This stand is built with a sturdy combination of alloy steel and metal, giving it a strong and stable foundation for your monitors. It's designed to fit monitors from 13 to 32 inches and can support a screen weight of up to 17.6 pounds per arm. What makes this one stand out is its impressive range. The wide arm span of 30.71 inches and a high bar of 16.3 inches give you a lot of flexibility for positioning your screens. You get a solid range of motion with plus-minus 90-degree swivel, a minus 45-degree tilt, and a full 360-degree rotation. It's a great all-around choice that combines strength, adjustability, and a clean aesthetic. So, there you have it, 10 best dual monitor arms on the market. Deciding which one is right for you really comes down to your specific needs. I've included links in the description below, so you can check them out for yourself. I hope this list helps you find the perfect product to upgrade your desk setup and boost your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.